Tutorials back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use templates on Instagram Reels. So first of all, you need to log in, then simply tap here the plus icon and simply tap here the templates. Here you can see, and make sure that you need to tap here the Reels, this button Reels. Tap here the templates, then you'll get here many templates and browser and training. This is the training template. Swipe right to get more. For example, I'm just going to use this template. So simply tap the template, and you can see here you have to click media. So add media, then you can add media. For example, I'm just going to add something, okay, and another, okay, and next. Then you can get here like a 3 caption. Okay, so all the thing is added. Simply tap the next, and you can edit now. Edit your video. You can edit, tap edit, and you can edit your video here. You can add music, text, audio, sticker, caption, a lot of things. So this way you can use templates on Instagram Reels.